What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And if you've been wondering about, or you're currently using Hive and you don't know exactly how to do it, but today we're going to talk about refilling your Hive account, because after you add a certain amount of rigs, or depending on where you're mining to, they will charge you a fee to use their software, and we got to top it up. So let's click on over here and show you guys how to do it real quick. So first we're going to start off. This is my farm right here. You'll notice my balance is 143. My daily price is 176. My daily price is pretty high because I got a lot of mixed rigs, and I really need to condense that down because like the most expensive way to do it is to have one CPU and one GPU. It's not optimal. A better way to do it is have like one rig with a lot of cards on it and condense them down. If you have CPU mining rigs, and it's only got a CPU in it, then you only get charged like a penny a day. So that's kind of a good thing. But so basically mine's about to run out any day now. I need to go over to your funds. Once I'm at your funds, then I need to, I'm going to deposit some Ethereum. So I copy this address and I go over to my Coinbase. I put that address in. I'm going to send 50 bucks over. And the fee ends up being $4.12 to send $50, estimated in less than 10 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and send that now. Hold on one second. Let me get the old... Oh no, my authenticator left it upstairs. Hold on. Bear with me. I'm going to go grab that. I'm going to punch that in and we'll be back after it sends. All right, guys, so it's been, I don't know, it's been a little while. I kind of lost track of time, but anyway, my $50 went in there, and it's actually worth less now because Ethereum's went down the last few hours. No biggie. But I have $48.27 in my funds, and right now, if you wanted to, you could leave it right there, but then if you go back over to your, let me show you right here. It'll keep showing up like red. Like your balance, and people are like, why doesn't my funds go into my balance? And that's because you need to go down here, and this is actually all the farms that you have access to, but this one's my farm, and I can put my $48, and then you hit refill. After you hit refill, it goes into my balance, and the reason why it does that is you can use money to top up your buddies that, say if they give you full access to their accounts, so you can watch it, say they're out of town or they need something, you can top up theirs, and then they can top up yours, vice versa. I don't know. Also, be careful. We sent it through sent Ethereum ERC20, but some people have sent USDC and or not USDC. I don't know, but these are ERC20 on this. So if you send it through the Binance chain, it will not get there on these addresses. Just be careful. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now when we go back over here, we'll look, my balance is $49.43. Daily price is free. I don't know why. That'll adjust and go back to what my daily price is there here shortly. And that's it. You have now topped up your Hive account and you're ready to go. You're ready to keep on mining. Obviously I've talked about it in the past, but optimizing your Hive account so you have to pay the least amount for it is a thing that you need to do. It's a thing I need to do. But I think even what I have to pay right now is a small price to pay instead of like keeping them all on Windows, because one or two cards, no big deal. You start getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cards. Managing them all on a Windows setup becomes slightly difficult, if not like just full of problems. But yeah, so you don't have to use Hive. There are other softwares out there. I used to use Simple Miner all the time, SMOS, but it's just Hive works. So I'm not sponsored. This is not any kind of whatever. I'm actually not even going to put my Hive, or my Hive referral link might be down below. I don't know. Don't even need to click on it if you already have an account. Obviously, you just do your thing. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hopefully these payouts keep going on up, if you know what I'm saying. Later.